Ooh. WWE SmackDown Tag Team. Bloop. Squirrely. Ooh, good. Yeah. Uh-oh, Grayson. Don't let him fall off. Get over there. Don't be peeing in my shoe, son. Man, go to sleep. Nap time. Go take a cat nap. You get back over here. Uh-huh. Run. Come on, run. Here. Did you have a nice breakfast? Wow. Oh, there's another one. Like cucarachas coming from everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Made it up. 6, 7. All present and accounted for, sir. Oh, big jump. Taking leaps and bounds now. Oh, we got this. We're going to tear up this whole room. I can tell, right? Yeah. Can't even use the litter box. Do I look like Mount Everest? Mount Suribachi climbing up?